Hello, my name is Joe Schatz, and I am the Director of Speech and Debate at Binghamton University. This video will show you how to create an account on our website, as well as how to register to compete in the online tournament that we'll be hosting. So hopefully you can follow along and watch, so that way you can participate in our upcoming debates. So the first thing that you need to do is go to a web browser. With the web browser, what you should do is you should go to speechdebate.binghamton.edu. Once there, you should create an account. And so for your username, you create whatever you would like. You could use your regular name, or you could use a username, however you decide. Create a password, confirm the password, put in your email address, and make sure you get it correct, because it's going to show you and actually send you a confirmation email to validate your account, which is important. Then put in your name that you want to have it displayed, so that way people can know the name that you have. And so I'm registering my daughter. And so then for your affiliation, you should pick the affiliation of the school that you're attending. If your school is not on there, you should click new affiliation, and then you can submit what your affiliation is. And so my daughter goes to Binghamton West Middle, so I'm putting that on there, and then I'm labeling it as a middle school. You don't have to put a message there or anything like that. And then you should provide a phone number. And the reason why you should provide a phone number is because if you do, the system will text you when it is your turn to submit or do anything on the system. It is not required. And if you just want to put a dummy phone number, you can use 555-555-5555. So if you're registering internationally, it will not take international phone numbers. So just use that dummy number if it requires it. You can upload a new photo if you would like. This just is the image that will display at the start of a debate round that represents you. Bearcat's the Binghamton mascot, so that's the default, and you can feel free to change it however you want. You could add an about me if you want people to know more about you. You could say yes or no to selecting text messages. And if you plan on registering for as a judge, you should enter your judge philosophy, so people know how you're going to approach judging the debate rounds, because the tournament system will have people who've done parliamentary debate, policy debate, world style debate, all different styles of debate. And so you should let people know what your background is. Afterwards, you click create an account. Please notice this doesn't actually enter you into a tournament. And so if it says that the CAPTCHA does not work, it's because your password needs to have at least one number within the system. All right, and so I'm going to create a different password. And then instead of using my phone number, I'm just gonna leave the phone number system blank because you don't actually need to put a phone number in there. So I guess you got to see some errors happen. So now I click create an account. It says an account is created. However, you still need to validate your account. So I go over to the email, just the email, and I'm not seeing the email arrive yet. So what do? The majority of the problems that emerge here is where it comes and it'll go to your spam folder. And so lo and behold, in the spam folder, here it is looking to validate your account. So once you've done it, you should report it as not being spam. So the rest of the emails that we send you will actually come your way. And so where did it go? And now you can see me struggle around to try and find it. So I reported it as not being spam, and it disappeared on me, which is not what I wanted to have happen. But when I searched for Binghamton debate, speech and debate, it came up. And so because I clicked it's not spam, it will future emails will not create a problem. So then I click this link, and now my account has been validated, as you can see. After it's been validated, you need to log into the system. So logging into the system. And you can stay logged in for a month if you want, but you click log in. And then it brings you to your page here. To register for a tournament, click compete online. and then either the Bearcat Classic grades 6 through 12 or 3 through 5. My daughter is in grade 6, so I'm going to click there. Here's the nice green button, so I click register, and then I can register her as a debater or as a judge. And we do need judges, so if you're a parent, please also create an account for yourself and judge. Even if you don't have debate experience, people have to learn to adapt to judges, so it'll be useful. And so I'm going to enter her in the Bearcat Classic. All right, and so now enter in the Bearcat Classic. It wants a phone number, so I'm going to do my dummy phone number and then enter in there. Okay. 555. So I entered a new dummy phone number because that one was taken. And now she is entered as a debater. And so if you go here, you can then see and confirm she's actually entered in the tournament. So to recap, in order to register to compete online, you need to first click create an account. Then you need to validate that account through your email. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder. After you have validated through the email, then come back to the website, log in, go to compete online, and go to either Bearcat Classic grades 3 through 5 or 6 through 12, depending on what grade your child's in, and then click the register button that will show at the bottom when you're logged in as either a debater or as a judge. And then you will be registered to compete in the Bearcat Classic. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at debate@binghamton.edu. Thanks for listening to this video.